Do you have a 4th generation Kia Sorento that is starting to misfire? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to do it on this 2022 Kia Sorento. Now, this one has the 2.5 liter turbo, but this should work pretty much exactly the same on any of the models. Now, I do know right now that for the most part, you will have to go to an actual Kia parts dealership, but in the future, they will have it at parts stores. Parts stores right now are saying they can't even get it. So all that means is you're going to have to go to the dealership and get ripped off. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so looking in here, the very first thing you want to do is just pop off your beauty cover. Now this just has 4 prongs holding it down. You just grab and pull up and grab from the back. There we go. Now then, it has this little bitty foam. It's like a sound dampener right here. We just need to remove that. So to remove it, just lift up, be careful, it will tear. Okay, so we have a connector that we gotta take off before this whole little dampener will come off. Okay, so we did have to take this one off in order to get that little dampener off. Now, all these are is you just push them in and pull them off. But now these can get really stuck, especially depending on where you live. If you have to, you can just get a little screwdriver, press down on it to get that little extra, depress and pull it out. So once you get all of these unplugged, we're gonna go ahead and start taking these off. So these are 10 millimeter. Now then, once you get them removed, all you gotta do is pull them out. Now be careful. These can want to stay in there and break off like right here. And if that happens, it kind of sucks. So just be careful as you do that. Okay, so next up, we're going to need an extension. And we're going to need a 5/8 spark plug socket. This is the one with a magnet. I prefer using the one with the magnet over the little O-ring style because these never fail. I highly recommend these. These are made by OEM Tools. So at this point, it's pretty simple. Just crack it loose. Out comes our 60,000 mile spark plug. Okay, so we're literally halfway through the job. This is what the old spark plugs look like after just 60,000 miles. We got some nice NGK iridiums to go back in it. Okay, so at this point, we just want to go ahead, get them all started by hand. So just feed them in there. I like to get them all started. This just ensures that you don't cross thread anything. And look at that magnet. That thing works like a champ. Once again, definitely would recommend these over the O-ring style spark plug sockets. Okay, so at this point, we're just going to run them down. You just want them snug in there. Okay, so at this point, you're just going to put your cool packs back in. Now, granted, they gave me the wrong cool packs, so I will have to take it back and get the right ones. So if you're wondering why you see dirty cool packs going back in, that's why. Okay, so remember, we do want to go ahead and put this little dampener back on. And you do this before plugging it up. There we go. Now, all you gotta do is plug them back up. So just push them in, you'll hear a nice click. All right, we're good to go. Now we just need the beauty cover on. Okay, so looking at this, you got 4 little spots that goes with these little holes right here. What I like to do is I like to take my finger and feel where that is, and then feel for that little thing sticking up. Once you get it lined up, push down, and there you go. And that's going to do it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.